All right, today we're going to talk about another question that we get a lot, which is what is the difference between vinyl wrap and paint protection film or clear bra? Now, it's a common misconception that they're the same thing, but they're not at all. Vinyl is a thinner, approximately 3 mil thick piece of film, whereas clear bra is an 8 mil thick, usually clear, but as we've showed you in previous videos, can have patterns, but it has the same properties. Vinyl is typically installed by a dry installation, meaning you put it on there and you get the air bubbles out, whereas clear bra is put on by a wet application method using deionized water and Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. The real important thing to understand the difference between vinyl wrap and clear bra, and the reason why it's such a significant price difference, is because vinyl wrap is for appearance purposes only. So the only thing this will do, this is vinyl wrap, the only thing that this vinyl wrap will do is change this to a satin or matte black appearance. Whereas clear bra will actually protect against rock chips and scratches. And that's because it's almost 3 times as thick. So you can see here in this, here's the vinyl. And you can see if I want to take this vinyl and I want to rip it, I just, see how easy that is? I just take it and just rip it and it just comes right apart. That's because it's so thin. It's meant for appearance purposes. But if I take this clear bra, you see the significant difference in the strength of the material, and that's going to contribute. This is why it's so protective against rock chips and scratches, whereas vinyl is just not going to be. The other thing about vinyl versus clear bra is vinyl is not self-healing. We showed you in another video that clear bra is self-healing. I scratched with my fingernails, we applied some heat using a hair dryer, and the scratches came out. With vinyl, it does not have that self-healing protective layer. So you can see the scratches in here, and they really don't change. There's not really much of a change. You still see the scratches. If this vinyl gets damaged, superficially by scratches like the clear bra would, the clear bra will self-heal, the vinyl will not.